Alright, good morning, you guys. Welcome back. It is the early morning. Well, it's not that early. It's like 7 o'clock, but it's a little early for me, and I'm not much of a morning person. I'm not angry. I'm not like an angry person. Let's see. Yeah, let's zoom out some. Come on, gotta fix it. Not an angry person in the morning. I just don't like waking up early, but I also don't like wasting my day when it's time to fly. I know you see me moving around here because I'm getting ready to head out. Just waiting for my Uber to take me to the airport because we're going to Puerto Vallarta. I gotta start like talking like I'm kind of like, from Mexico or whatever. But I just thought, in this little Puerto Vallarta series, I do like a day one heading to Puerto Vallarta. So let me just grab my stuff. So I'm sitting right over here. Let's see, suitcase and my camera bag for everything. Usually I have like a gray book bag, but I didn't want to carry that this time. Like I didn't want to have 2 book bags. Like that's too much. It could be a little OD. But Uber's already here, so let's get ready to go. Anybody else suffer from migraines? I do. I had them since I was like in high school. I hate them. They suck. I've had like MRIs, everything done. Nothing's been able to fix it. Just waiting for my flight at boards in like 5 minutes. They start boarding, but the best thing I've ever found are like these little pills right here. Like caffeine in them. You got like autofocus thing. I don't know. It's not gonna do it. Like this thing right here. It's like the best thing I've taken. Pop 2 of them. Wait about 30 minutes. Golden. I usually don't take pills with caffeine in them, but for these migraines, I will. Hotel, and it's only like a 1-night stay because I actually booked my flight a day too early than my Airbnb, so I'm only gonna be here for like 1 night. I'm not even gonna unpack or do anything like that, but I'm at Zen Harmony Suites in Puerto Vallarta, and this place is tiring. It's cool. If I were to rate it out of 10, let me stop moving, contrast and all that. If I were to rate it out of 10, 5. Give it a 5. Again, I was only trying to just stay here for just 1 night, and then I'm gonna move to my Airbnb, which I'll show you guys, and I'll show you guys this place right now. But do would I recommend it? I mean, if you got a family, if this is like your style, and I'll show you exactly what the hotel looks like, what my room looks like. I have like a 2-bedroom with a kitchen and sink, and it was only like $47 just for the night. So I just quickly grab something just for the night. I'm not gonna stay in here right now. Again, I'm not gonna unpack because I'm only gonna be here for a day. What I'm about to do is take a little bit of a walk around because before I, shoot and film, I like to get to know the area. So, yes, I'm gonna bring the camera along with me. I've lived in Maryland my entire life, and it gets hot and it definitely gets humid. But when I tell you, the sun literally, I feel like it lives in Mexico. Like, it's so bright. Really nice around here though. It's great weather for the beach. It's great weather for the beach. It's gonna be later on. So my understanding is that because of COVID and low tourists, is that Mexico is taking the opportunity to like renovate, reconstruct. I hope that's like the right word. But anyway, Trying to see how long it'll take to get to the beach and the pad. Here is wondering how I get around. I use this. So I'm just walking in the direction of the water. A small piece of me is starting to think I picked the most difficult way to come to the beach, but there's no I don't see any signs. It's just like this way beach. So I'm just gonna, I think I'm almost there. If you need to go to the bathroom, it's 5 pesos, so bring some coins. Let's do a quick story about Joshua and beaches. For some of my college friends, you may know this if you're watching. So once upon a time, Joshua went to a beach, and the waves was pretty rough, like this. And Joshua got sucked out by a riptide. And I can swim a little bit. Definitely not strong enough to swim out of a riptide. Or not, maybe it's not a riptide. Maybe is that what they call them? Those strong, like, waves that come in and they suck you back out. Look, I don't know, but I know I'm not strong enough to swim against it, or beside it, under it, or in it, whatever. I'm not strong enough to do that. All right, I think I know what I'm gonna eat. Right ahead, there's this place that fish and shrimp tacos. I'll be honest with you, outside of what I've made for myself, I've never had like a fish or a shrimp taco. I've never bought it from a place. So today's the day. What is that? What exit's on? I'm gonna move on because the place is closed. There's a place across the street called Polo Pepe, which I know is like some type of chicken. I love chicken, but I'm not gonna get chicken. Trying to find something nice. So Polo Pepe it is. Look what it says as soon as I get here. Tasty grilled chicken, you know? One of the loves of my life. I don't know if you like me, I'm walking back in. It just came to my mind because I do this a lot. Like if you're dirty, you feel dirty, like you feel like you need a bath. Or you feel like me, you know, you wet your shoes, your socks are squishy, you got sand in your shoes, you're just a little sweaty, like you can't eat. Like if I'm like dirty, or I feel dirty, I just don't feel clean, I won't eat. All right, so I want to show you guys this food because I gotta eat and I gotta get started with editing. Let me see. Yep, these are corn tortilla shells. Everybody don't know what it look like. Y'all probably know what corn tortilla shells look like. Oh, I was gonna say, y'all ain't give a brother utensils. You look at these beans. I think they like pinto beans. You know, in Monterrey they use like a different kind of bean. It ain't these ones. Hold on, let me see. Okay, that's better. I'm tripping. These like a different kind of bean, but these are the beans, and then the chicken. Woo! Juicy grilled chicken. I love some good fried chicken, but this grilled chicken, oh yeah. I've never had this called like tamarindo juice, or hopefully I said it right. Hopefully it's good. It's like a, thank you guys again for watching. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next week with a video of Puerto Vallarta. Well, hold on. Oh, yeah, hold on. See, my mind be everywhere. I'm trying to tell y'all. I will see you guys next week with another video from Puerto Vallarta in my Puerto Vallarta mini series. Have a great day. I know COVID is still out there. Everyone be safe. And again, thank you so much.